Today we're making tall, crispy, perfect Yorkshire puddings at home, step by step. You'll only need a few basic ingredients and a hot oven. Let me show you exactly how.
We'll go from simple batter to towering, hollow Yorkshire puddings in just a few easy steps.
Here's everything you'll need for about 12 Yorkshire puddings.
4 large eggs form the base of the batter.
You'll also need about 200 grams of plain flour and half a teaspoon of fine salt.
Plus around 200 milliliters of whole milk for richness.
First, preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit.
Crack all 4 eggs into a large mixing bowl or jug.
Whisk the eggs until they're smooth and lightly frothy.
Add the flour gradually, whisking between additions to avoid stubbled lumps.
Keep whisking until you have a thick, smooth paste with no dry flour.
Now slowly pour in the milk, whisking constantly to thin the batter.
You're aiming for a smooth, pourable batter, a little thinner than pancake batter.
Season with salt and a pinch of pepper if you like, then give it a final whisk.
Transfer the batter to a jug and let it rest for at least 30 minutes.
Resting relaxes the gluten and helps the puddings rise higher and more evenly.
Add about a teaspoon of vegetable oil or beef dripping into each muffin tin hole. Place the tin in the hot oven until the fat is smoking hot, around 10 minutes.
Just before baking, give the batter a quick stir so everything is evenly mixed.
Carefully remove the hot tin. Work quickly now so it doesn't lose heat.
Pour the batter into each hole until they're about 2/3 full and listen for that sizzle.
Get the tray straight back into the oven as fast as you safely can.
Bake for about 20 minutes and resist opening the door, or they can collapse.
Once they're deep golden and crisp, take them out of the oven.
Watch how they puff up into tall, hollow cups with crisp edges.
Once they're deep golden and crisp, take them out of the oven.
Lift them out of the tin right away so the bottoms stay crisp.
Look at that airy, hollow center and those crunchy edges.
They're perfect with a classic Sunday roast, ready to catch plenty of rich gravy.
Or fill them with sausages, roasted vegetables, or whatever your favorite fillings are.
They're light, crisp, and so comforting. Exactly what you want from a Yorkshire pudding.
Key tips: keep the oven hot, the fat smoking, and never open the door while they rise.
You can cool and store them, then reheat in a hot oven for a few minutes to crisp them back up. Quick recap: eggs and flour, whisk to a paste, add milk, rest, heat the fat, pour, bake, and enjoy.
Follow these steps and you'll get perfect Yorkshire puddings every single time.
If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe, and let me know how yours turned out.
Thanks for watching and happy cooking!